Hello and welcome to this video. So in this video, we are going to learn about burn rate and runway. So we will understand what is burn rate and what is runway with an example. So this example will help you to understand these terms in the best way possible. Okay? So what is burn rate? When you hear the term burn rate, so something comes to your mind, right? The rate at which you are burning something, isn't it? So yes, when it comes to business, we all know that there are daily operational activities and other requirements for which we need money, right? So burn rate is the amount of cash that is being spent every month on these requirements and the operational activities. So it is calculated on a monthly basis. Okay, it is calculated on monthly terms. Now, why is it necessary for a company to calculate the burn rate? Because it tells the company when it requires next funding and how long the available money will go on. It is valuable in following scenarios. The first, while availing funds, and second, while setting up growth targets. Okay. So this was just a brief idea about what is burn rate. So basically burn rate is the amount of cash that is being spent every month. Okay. Now, how do we calculate the burn rate? It's very easy. All you have to do is revenue minus expenses. Okay. So revenue, that means the amount that the company is generating, okay, as output. Okay. So revenue is the company's revenue and expenses is the money that the company is spending on meeting the requirements and carrying out the operational activities. So here if you see, when the expenses will be larger than revenue, then of course the burn rate will be negative. Okay. Suppose your revenue is 1 lakh. Okay. But your expenses is 2 lakhs. So of course your burn rate will be, in this case, minus 1 lakh rupee. Right? So that's how you calculate the burn rate. Now, let's come to an example. So this is the example of a company ABC. Okay. Now, let's assume that the balance of the company as on 1st April, okay, the balance of the company as on 1st April 2023 is 5 lakhs. All right. Now, monthly sales, okay, monthly sales of the company is 1 lakh and monthly expenses, monthly sales is a revenue, okay, and monthly expenses is, for example, 2 lakhs. So how will you, based on these two information, how will you calculate the burn rate? Very easy. It's 1 lakh revenue minus expenses. So 1 lakh minus 2 lakhs, which will give you minus 1 lakh, right? So here we understand that the burn rate is negative. Why? Because we are getting this minus, right? We are getting this minus, isn't it? Minus 1 lakh, right? So let's remove this because we just need to understand that the burn rate is in negative. It is negative right now. Okay, but we don't have to show it here because it is not going to, be used. This negative sign is not going to be used in our calculations anyway. So here, this is the burn rate. This 1 lakh is your burn rate, right? This 1 lakh is your burn rate. Okay, done. Now, here, let's do some calculation and understand how long this company will be able to survive with the money it has. Okay? Because of course, if you are running a business, you have to quite calculative about these things, right? So let's draw the table. Okay. As on April, your reported balance is 5 lakhs. Okay. Now let's come to the next month. Then June, then July, then August, then September, and so on, right? And so on. So here your balance as reported on in April, in the month of April, is 5 lakhs. Your burn rate is 1 lakh. That means in the month of April, your balance is 5 lakhs, but you will have to bear 1 lakh rupees to carry out the operational activities and other requirements, right? So in the month of May, you will have 4 lakh rupees, right? Similarly, in the month of June, you will be left with 3 lakhs rupees. In the month of July, 2 lakhs. And then in August, 1 lakh. And then in September, it will be nil. The account will be nil. No money, right? So, this table, just because you know what is the burn rate of your company, this table is helping you to understand how long your company will be able to survive with the balance it has right now. So you will be mentally prepared that, okay, the money that I have right now will be able to support me till August. Okay. After August, there will be no money in my account. So maximum by June, I should have some funding in my business, right? I should be able to have some money. I should be able to raise some funds for the business, right? So this is the runway. This is the runway, okay? So this is giving you a path that, okay, the money that you have in your account right now will help you to survive till August. So you have to make arrangements before that. Okay. So how long will this business run? It will run for only 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more months. May, June, July and August. Alright. So this is your runway. This is the concept of burn rate and runway. It is very easy and I hope you have understood these two terms through this example very well. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you all in the next one. Bye.